welcome to my channel Worldwise. I'm sure you've heard the news. High above Earth, a silent sentinel drifted through the vastness of space. The year was 1985. The Cold War gripped our planet. But in the heavens, a different kind of drama was unfolding. Salyut 7, the pride of the Soviet space program, was in trouble. Salyut 7 was no ordinary spacecraft. It was a space station, a symbol of human ambition and ingenuity. It circled our planet, a testament to the Soviet Union's technological prowess. But now, this symbol of human achievement was falling silent. The station had gone dark. No signals emanated from its once bustling halls. The lifeblood of electricity essential for its survival had ceased. The control center on Earth could only watch in stunned silence as their creation drifted, lifeless and alone. Salyut 7, once a beacon of hope and progress, was now a ghost ship, adrift in the unforgiving vacuum of space. The world held its breath, wondering about the fate of the station and the promise it held. To understand the gravity of the situation, we must journey back to a time when the world watched two superpowers vying for supremacy. The United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a Cold War, a battle fought not on land or sea but in the theaters of technology, ideology and space. Space exploration became the ultimate stage for this rivalry. Every launch, every orbit, every spacewalk was a declaration of national pride and technological superiority. The space race, as it came to be known, ignited the imaginations of people around the globe. The Soviet Union had struck first, launching Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, into orbit in 1957. The world looked up in awe as this small beeping sphere circled our planet, heralding the dawn of the space age. The United States, caught off guard, responded with vigor. Thus began an era of incredible innovation and daring feats. Humans ventured into space for the first time, walked on the moon and sent probes to explore distant planets. The Salyut program was the Soviet Union's answer to America's Skylab. It was a series of space stations designed to push the boundaries of human endurance and scientific exploration in space. Salyut 7, launched in 1982, was the pinnacle of this program. Cosmonauts lived and worked aboard Salyut 7, conducting experiments, observing Earth and pushing the limits of human knowledge. They endured long periods of isolation and confinement, facing the challenges of living and working in the unforgiving environment of space. But Salyut 7's journey was not without its tribulations. In the years leading up to the 1985 crisis, the station had faced its share of challenges. Technical glitches, equipment failures, and even a fuel leak had tested the resilience of the ground crew and the cosmonauts aboard. These incidents were a stark reminder of the unforgiving nature of space, each one a test of human ingenuity and a testament to the courage of the cosmonauts who risked their lives in the pursuit of knowledge and exploration. And when news of Salyut 7's silence reached the ground, the Soviet space program was faced with a daunting challenge. The station, adrift and without power, was in danger of becoming another piece of space debris, lost forever in the vastness of the cosmos. The decision was made to attempt a rescue, but this was no ordinary mission. It was a daring undertaking, fraught with risk and uncertainty. No one had ever attempted to dock with a tumbling, powerless spacecraft before. The eyes of the world watched as the Soviet Union prepared its rescue mission. Two cosmonauts, Vladimir Dzhanibekov and Viktor Savinykh, were chosen for this perilous task. These men were the best of the best, highly trained and experienced cosmonauts with nerves of steel. The weight of the mission rested on their shoulders. They were tasked with not only saving the station, but also salvaging the pride of the Soviet space program. The world held its breath as they prepared for their journey into the unknown. The rescue mission launched atop a Soyuz rocket, a symbol of Soviet ambition soaring into the heavens. Dzhanibekov and Savinykh embarked on a perilous journey, their destination a silent, spinning tomb in the sky. Time was of the essence. With every passing moment, the hope of reviving Salyut 7 dwindled. Approaching the derelict station, the cosmonauts faced their first hurdle, docking. Salyut 7, without power, was tumbling uncontrollably, its solar panels no longer tracking the sun. The docking procedure, usually a precise ballet of orbital mechanics, became a high-stakes game of cosmic catch. Using their skills and ingenuity, Dzhanibekov and Savinykh managed to carefully maneuver their Soyuz spacecraft closer to the tumbling Salyut 7. They relied on a combination of manual control, laser rangefinders, and sheer grit. After a tense and perilous approach, they achieved what many thought impossible. The Soyuz spacecraft, with a gentle thud that echoed through the vacuum of space, docked with the silent space station. The first step towards rescue had been taken. Upon entering the station, the cosmonauts were met with an eerie silence. The once bustling heart of Salyut 7 was now a frigid tomb, its interior plunged into a deep freeze by the lack of power. Ice crystals, shimmering like diamonds in the dim light, coated the walls. The temperature inside the station was a bone-chilling -10 degrees Celsius or 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The air was heavy with the stale odor of a space left untouched for too long. But the cosmonauts knew that the cold, unforgiving environment was the least of their worries. Before they could begin repairs, they had to assess the situation. They worked diligently, their breath misting in the frigid air, to check for any structural damage and, most importantly, to determine the cause of the power failure. Every move was a testament to their training and their courage. They worked tirelessly in the darkness and extreme cold. Their only companions, the ghosts of past missions and the faint hope of breathing life back into the silent station. With meticulous care, the cosmonauts set about diagnosing the problem. They discovered that a faulty sensor had caused the station's power system to shut down, draining the batteries and plunging Salyut 7 into darkness. Using spare parts they brought with them and cannibalizing parts from the station itself, they managed to jury-rig a makeshift power solution. Slowly, painstakingly, they brought Salyut 7 back from the brink. Lights flickered, systems hummed back to life, and warmth slowly returned to the frozen space station. The cosmonauts spent 10 grueling days aboard Salyut 7, repairing the station and ensuring its survival. Their mission, deemed impossible by many, was a resounding success. They had not only saved the station but also demonstrated the indomitable spirit of human ingenuity and courage. News of their triumph resonated around the world. Dzhanibekov and Savinykh returned to Earth as heroes, their names etched in the annals of space exploration history. The rescue of Salyut 7 stands as a testament to human courage, ingenuity, and the unyielding desire to explore the cosmos, even in the face of adversity. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to watch my next video.